Today we're going to be installing the lateral foot plates on the 2019 MXZ XRS 600R. This would be the same installation process for the 850 or any other Gen 4 platform. So they fit like that, and what we found is there's no pre-drilled holes on the tunnel of the MXZ, but there is on the bottom punched marks where these could be pre-drilled. We can drill them out. They're punched. That's what we're going to do today, is we're going to drill up through the tunnel because we find there isn't enough room to drill down, and then we'll be able to mount these correctly. There's 4 spots there. 2 of them are spot welds, and 2 of them are actually indents for drilling. Just be sure you pick the right 2. So you're nice and straight, yeah. I'll do some metal now. Oh, actually,
it's pretty good. It's just the tilt of it, right?
Yeah.
Is what it's going to be. So if I just hog that out a little bit, it'll be fine.
Yeah, and then make sure the back.
And then we can just make sure this looks straight up and down, because there's going to be a little leeway with it.
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
Yeah. No, I don't have to punch the top out.
You don't?
No.
Right on.
You can see it. It's just about touching the bottom, and this
still got
space
that
is going to
make
the difference. So we just got to clean out the hole a little bit more to have it slide out in easy.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that should be good. Okay, hole number 2.
This is tilted in a bit. That's the thing. We were a little straight. Like probably I'd go in just a bit. There. Nope. There. That is good, isn't it?
Not too bad. It's about the same as the other one, to be honest.
Yeah.
I would say that's just about perfect.
Yeah.
You can drill the big hole. That looks pretty good. Yeah. It's in the center of the hole.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it caught right away this time.
Tight fit in there.
Yeah, little footholds don't help.
So we're using a 4mm Allen key on a ratchet, and we also have an Allen tool, 4mm on the top.
There we go.
There. Nice and tight in here. Good job, Dino. Clean it up. Oh, that's good.
Bang on, buddy.
Perfect. You're not going all the way through on this one when you're making that hole larger. You're just making the bottom hole fit the sleeve.
Nice thing is the big ugly holes on the bottom
No,
of your running board.
It. Yeah.
That should be. other one in first before it gets too tight. We are in business. Just that one hole that we thought that was the best one gave us the most trouble, because that sleeve wouldn't sit straight up and down in there. Done.
Oh, that looks good. Put your boot up in there. Let's see how these things work.
Hook your toe up under the toe holds too.
Great. Well, it's perfect. And that's how you install the lateral foot plates on the Gen 4 platform.